Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a clickable link in Instagram Reels. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Instagram app right over here. Then tap on this plus icon given at the bottom. Now choose a reel or video or photo file of yours. Tap on next. Tap on next again. And next over here as well. Now from this section you will be able to find various options. You can say tag people, add location, and etc, etc. Now the other thing is you should be able to find an add link option. If you cannot see it from the picture, what you can do is I'm going to go ahead to switch to a video right over here. Maybe that's the reason. Once I have chosen the video as well, I cannot seem to find that particular add link option. So what you have to do, if you cannot do that, you're going to simply go ahead, copy the particular link and go ahead, paste it over here in the caption section. Once you have pasted over here, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on share, and you're good to go. When you're sharing, I'm going to share this particular reel to your story as well, and there also you can go ahead, add the link as well. You can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.